Hey, what's up everybody? We just got back from our long trip from the desert. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how the Bushwacker Fender Flares held up out there. So let's get into that. All right, so before we get started, a couple house cleaning things we got to do. For those of you that sent in for the stickers, I just got done mailing off the last batch. We did get a new batch of stickers. In future videos, we're going to go over exactly how you can get some free stickers. So make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe icon down below along with that bell icon so you know when we do our next video. Okay, so I have to address something, kind of a sidebar before we get started with today's video. It has to do with the video I just posted. Real short video. It was that tow haul mode video off-road. I decided to have a little bit of fun with the Premiere Pro software and shoot it out there. I wake up this morning and I got a message from somebody saying, "What did you expect was going to happen? An explosion? Question mark." An explosion? No. 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 It's going to explode? No. Here's the deal. On this channel, and pretty much the majority of YouTube channels, it is for entertainment purposes and also some education. That's pretty much what we're going to do here on this channel. We're going to have some entertainment style type of videos. There's gonna be probably some sarcasm, maybe some really bad acting. Nonetheless, it's still just an entertainment channel. Now, along the way, I'm hoping to talk about things that you want to talk about. I'm hoping to cover some categories that might help somebody out along the way. But when you see something like in this last video, yeah, no, I did not think that there was going to be an explosion. That is my soapbox. I digress. Okay, so this weekend, we actually had a chance to roll around quite a bit in the dirt, in the rock, and I'm going to tell you, the Bushwacker Fender Flares held up extremely well, extremely well. I'll show you this video here of the kind of a walk around, but not only did I notice a big difference when it came to how much dirt, or when I could hear that really loud clank of a rock coming up and hitting the paint, I didn't notice that at all. So really stoked about these Fender Flares and already what they've brought to the table. You know, we pushed them pretty hard. We got into some real loose rock area, peeled out a couple times, trying to see if I can kick up as much dirt and debris as possible. And I was really kind of curious. To be honest, I was a little nervous about how they were going to hold up. The way that they're put together is kind of brilliant. Comes with their own bracket, and you know, I had the concern a little bit is if we hit something and the suspension came in and the tires were to hit one of the bolts, would it pull this whole thing apart? And it didn't. So I'm totally stoked on that. So that is the updated review after using these Fender Flares out in the dirt. That I give it 2 thumbs up, and Bushwacker, good at you for that. So that's going to do it for today's video. Really small, short, simple. Just remember, we're here to have fun, have a good time. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, and we will catch you next time when we're on the back roads.